Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is time for another Eurovision 2025 reaction. This is Ukraine, and Ukraine, it will be represented by this band called Ziferblat. I'm sorry. And the song is called Birds of Prey. Now, I saw this live, the whole show live, right? But for some reason, I did not pay attention to them at all. And I was so shocked when they won. Like, I have no idea what's the song about. I haven't heard this song. I think I saw just some, like, I remember this staging, but I have no idea on anything else whatsoever. So I'm gonna click play. But before I do that, make sure to subscribe and like this video. That would help me a lot. And yeah, let's go and see what Ukraine got us this year. Ooh, gorgeous vocals. Wow. And that's the backing vocalist? Interesting old school vibe. What is this, 70s, 80s? I don't know about that period, so let me know down in the comments below. Wow, yeah, you guys, this feels so old, right? I really like the whole sound of this. Feels like it was, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like live, right? You can hear all the instrumentals. It's all there. It's nothing computer created. So I love that part. I like the fact that we have English and Ukrainian as well. That will help a lot. Love this part, rockish. Outstanding vocals, by the way. Love this. Staging, nothing crazy, but it fits. I think we can definitely bring this up. The outfits, the 70, 80, 90 outfits, I don't stand for that. I don't like them. But it's contradicting again because it fits with the song, right? And again, the high notes from the girl. Gorgeous. Wow. The vocals, so good. Okay, wow, Ukraine. First of all, Ukraine, in every single year, they send something risky. They send something totally different. Like every single year, Ukraine just blow us away by their choices. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was extremely surprised when this won. I didn't understood why, because I haven't seen this. So I think I had 3 songs over this, right? As an expected winner for me. And I was totally shocked when this won, but I can understand why right now, okay? So I think the song is gorgeous. I really enjoyed the vocals. I think the staging can be improved and will 100% be improved. Outfits, not for me. And again, if you So my other Eurovision reactions or my reactions in general on this channel, you know that I am not a huge fan of the throwback sounds, the old stuff. Like, I'm into EDM and, so I don't think this is one of my favorite entry out of this year, but I can appreciate the art of this and the message of this, which, by the way, I did understood some lyrics that were in English, but somehow I could not figure out what this song is about. So if you know more, please let me know down in comments below, because I do want to understand more. So I think that was it, and I'm gonna see you all in the next reaction. So bye, everybody.